This is the PCCI pod, and you're listening to obviously the PCCI pod. Duh. Welcome, folks, to the latest episode of PCCI. Today, we plan to discuss moments in cricket because Sky did this and we found this idea to be interesting. So, each of us has picked three individual moments that we watched live on live basically, and we will talk about it and then we will discuss it. By moment, what we mean is a moment will be when after a bowler has bowled a ball and the batsman has reacted to the ball, and that is one moment. So one delivery is a moment.
In the air, Shrikant.
हाँ वैसा. विच रिमाइंड्स मी, तुम एक मोमेंट जो अपन तीनों ने पिक नहीं किया है वो है आमिर सुहेल का वो दिखाना और अगली बॉल पे आउट होना, राइट? 96 में.
हाँ, बट वो क्लीशे
वो क्लीशे हो गया, बट
एज
वो क्लीशे हो गया. द सेमीफाइनल 99 सेमीफाइनल वी हैव ऑलरेडी टॉक्ड अबाउट इट.
पर अभी क्या हुआ पता है? अभी मैं 2-3 दिन पहले हाईलाइट देख रहा था.
आमिर सोहेल ने
हाँ,
आमिर सोहेल ने वैसे एक उसके बारे में अपना ये भी दिया. ही एक्सप्लेन्ड हिज थॉट प्रोसेस आल्सो. बाय द वे
मैं ये देख रहा था, मैं कोई हाईलाइट्स देख रहा था, ठीक है, जिसमें पाकिस्तान और न्यूजीलैंड के बीच में वनडे मैच है. और वो पाकिस्तान याद है अभी जो 94 में इंडिया जब न्यूजीलैंड गया था, वो जो यूनिफॉर्म मुझे जो बहुत पसंद है, याद है तुम लोग को? तो उसी टाइम पे उसके बाद पाकिस्तान गया था कभी न्यूजीलैंड. तो पाकिस्तान, न्यूजीलैंड, साउथ अफ्रीका, इनके बीच में एक ट्राई सीरीज हुआ था वहाँ पे, ठीक है. एंड there was a game between Pakistan and South Africa. This is 93-94, and Amir Sohail did the same thing. So what I realized is that Amir Sohail did that even before that, but this moment.
हाँ, तो आमिर सोहेल ने अपने इंटरव्यू में यही बोला है कि I used to do it with a lot of bowlers and it was very successful for me. I used to put them off their lines, and this is one moment where I didn't pull it off. उतने ये बोला है उसने कि मेगरा के साथ भी किया है मैंने. फेंकता बहुत है वो, बोला है.
कौन फेंकता है? सोहेल भाई.
बट
एक्चुअली सोहेल डिसेंट बैट्समैन. अब खैर वो डिस्कशन दूसरी तरफ चला जाएगा. सोहेल और सईद अनवर दोनों मतलब लाइक व्हेन आई लुक एट
सोहेल वाज लाइक, मुझे लगता था इजाज अहमद का लेफ्ट हैंडेड वर्जन, उसका बेसबॉल वाला.
अच्छा, वो जो टीम है 96 वर्ल्ड कप का जो पाकिस्तान टीम है, 96 वर्ल्ड कप का जो इंडिया टीम है, 96 वर्ल्ड कप के जो इतने पाकिस्तानी बैट्समैन हैं, बारिंग सचिन एंड अजहर, मैं सबको इंडियन टीम में ले लूंगा ऑनेस्टली. लाइक एज इन सचिन और अजहर.
कैसे यार? प्रोबेबली नॉट.
सचिन और अजहर को मैं इंडियन टीम में रखूंगा. बाकी कौन है? लाइक
कामली, जडेजा.
कामली से बेटर सोहेल का करियर है आई थिंक. नहीं,
ओवरऑल अगर देखोगे इन हाइंडसाइट,
जडेजा से लाइक अगर सोच सचिन सईद अनवर ओपन कर
फ्लेजलिंग करियर, जडेजा वो टाइम पे वाज नॉट अ एस्टैब्लिश्ड बैट्समैन.
वन डाउन कौन आता था उसके साथ? मंजरेकर आता था.
हाँ, मंजू.
वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट 96 ना.
हाँ, 96 की तक का ही बोल रहा हूँ मैं बस.
वाज इट मांजरेकर और was it-
मंजू उस वर्ल्ड कप में तो मंजू
तुम
था.
लोग सोच लो, मतलब पाकिस्तान का बैटिंग भी ओवरऑल लाइक आई नो कि लाइक
सी इंजी सईद अनवर तो मतलब दे दो प्लीज. बाकी am I that excited about Ijaz and all? I don't know.
इजाज, जावेद.
तुम लोग को इजाज का वाला ही नहीं याद है? कराची में ही था ना.
हाँ, लाहौर. We have
कराची
mentioned that
से
in the pod.
कराची से
अंदरूने मुल्क. बट आई थिंक
It is debatable at that
चलो.
point. Like Malik साहब और who is the other one? जावेद और मलिक, बाकी दो मिडल ऑर्डर. Whether you take them over Jadeja and who is the other one? Vinod Kambli.
I mean, look at the careers, and I mean, ultimately Salim Malik and Javed Miandad का career काफी.
Maybe Salim Malik and Azhar would cancel themselves out.
Maybe
Sachin versus Anwar. 50
सचिन वर्सेस अनवर.
सचिन अनवर नहीं, सचिन और अजहर तो है टीम में. मैं तो कह रहा हूँ सचिन और अजहर के अलावा बोल रहा हूँ. सचिन और अजहर के लाइक आई
Jadeja might just slot himself in.
I think
at that point.
I mean tournament की बात अलग है, but I think in that tournament पाकिस्तान should have gone farther than the quarterfinals. I feel as a team.
In fact, for Indian conditions, we didn't have a bad bowling attack though in that tournament. Actually, देखा जाए तो Kumble Srinath Prasad was actually decent for India.
But that's all.
Who was our second spinner?
Venkat.
Venkatpati Raju and Ashish
Oh,
Kapoor.
right. हाँ, Raju and Kapoor.
And we had our
Raju
and
का तो
and our back
Raju's image.
Salil Ankola.
Yeah, no, Raju's वो याद है ना, मतलब he's
Muscles.
Sohail and Anwar are going hammer and tongs and
हाँ.
हाथ फोल्ड का स्लीव फोल्ड करके आ रहा है, जैसे कि अभी बताता हूँ सर.
राजू ने मार्को का
We
विकेट
are
निकाला था.
digressing. So let's go back to our moment. So today let's start with you, Aditya. Aditya, which is your first moment?
Are we going format wise or
Oh yeah, so
how do we?
Let's do format wise.
we will do test,
Shortest to
ODI and
longest.
T20 or
Okay,
T20
reverse.
ODI
Okay.
test, whatever. I don't like.
Let's do T20s
Okay.
first. 2020 cricket से शुरू
Monty,
करते
बताओ.
हैं. Yeah. So my moment is an often forgotten moment because often क्या होता है कि the whether a moment sticks or not depends on like who is involved, right? So this one was Dinesh Karthik's catch to dismiss Graham Smith, right? So in that tournament, we have had an okayish tournament so far. We had beaten Pakistan in that super over, in that whatever it was, bowl out
Bowl out.
nonsense. And then subsequently we lost to New Zealand and England के साथ भी मतलब it was a okayish England side, right? So and this game in particular I remember I don't think we went in thinking we'll win. मतलब the England win was like a feel good thing. 6 sixes in an over हो गया था. So it felt good for the moment, but it was an English attack which had like Paul Schofield या कौन था वो leg spinner, like it was an ordinary attack. And so playing South Africa we were struggled actually to start off with the bat, and that was probably one of Dhoni's best innings, and so we scored around 149 150 something of that kind.
153.
Middling total,
yeah.
must win game also.
It was a must win for both. In fact, South Africa needed.
not for South Africa,
हाँ, मतलब they
actually.
needed to something.
Honorable
to
defeat.
qualify.
हाँ. तो साउथ अफ्रीका को वो चाहिए था, एंड देन व्हेन वी केम आउट टू बॉल आल्सो आई डिडंट थिंक एक्चुअली नन ऑफ अस इवन इन माय होम व्हेन वी आर वाचिंग वी डिडंट थिंक वी विल विन दैट गेम, बट सोचा चलो लाइक गुड व्हाइल इट लास्टेड मे बी वी हैव अ चांस. लाइक रोहित शर्मा आल्सो गेव अ फील गुड 50 in that game. So it felt like okay we are playing decently because the 2007 World Cup का backdrop सब चल रहा है. So till that point then you have Smith and Gibbs and De Villiers and it's a gun batting lineup, right, in South Africa at that point. If Justin Kemp and all that. So there is this Graham Smith ka catch, and Dinesh Karthik is this guy who you wouldn't trust to take a sitter at times. Like in that phase, I remember him dropping Alistair Cook at Lords in that England tour just before the series that we won. Day one pe Cook ka catch he dropped, and it was a dolly. And this one, I think RP Singh and Sreesanth started off exceptionally well, right? They were bowling at like a decent pace. RP at that point was bowling 140 plus.
Yeah.
And this catch, man, matlab, there is this drive by Smith, and this is a wrong
Wideish gully pe.
Yeah, wideish gully pe, and a wrong. I think he takes a catch of his left hand, right? It's not even like his stronger side, right? So he takes it.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, he definitely
One-handed.
dives towards his left.
He dives towards his left, parallel to the ground, and I think it's one of the best catches I have seen. And given the circumstances and given the context of the game, I think that probably lifted that entire team, and that match for me turned around at that point, because then subsequently you also had another fielding effort changing the tournament. Like we often talk of like big moments in big tournaments. I think that is one clincher for me in terms of a moment.
So my thoughts.
And Smith was also a bully, right? Like Smith was that sort of a personality, like 150 odd total. He could have pulled that off.
Smith was a unit, as they say. But my thoughts on that moment is, I think one of the things that it signified. So this tournament in itself was basically we did not take T20 seriously,
T20s,
which
yeah.
was seen clearly by the team not sending anyone like the senior
Was
player.
it not sending, or was it? It actually turned out to be a good decision.
It turned out to be a good decision, and the reason, I mean, not sending was basically because they thought that 30 plus cricketers को क्या भेजना, they all of them like
नहीं क्या भेजना नहीं. I think they opted out. I think both Ganguly, Dravid and Tendulkar, all three of them, I think they opted out of the
which was a great
tournament.
decision.
They kept
Yeah.
themselves out, if I'm not wrong.
So
Yeah, if ever there was like a well left. Was it?
so basically, amongst other,
Also probably because that we had faced the humiliation of 07, the 50 over World Cup. I don't think they wanted to get humiliated another time, like the same
I
year.
don't think that was the reason. I just think that they
Yeah,
didn't
hopefully
take
that
it
wasn't the
this
reason.
seriously. I just think they thought that this will be like, I don't know, they thought it will be some
One-off.
exhibition
One-off
type का
type.
सोच के उन्होंने.
Hmm.
And so that catch basically signifies the standard like improvement in, because see, our bowling unit was pretty much the same, like it was the batting, and we were never afraid of like not having decent batsmen. So it was not like कि मतलब पता नहीं सौरव सचिन द्रविड़ नहीं आया तो क्या होगा करके. Fielding was a marked improvement because the team was very young. So it kind of for me signifies that shift, change in the way in, and of course you can bring about and talk about कि युवराज और कैफ पहले इंडियन टीम में आ चुके थे, but like that moment signified that this whole team, like there is no one in the field who needs to be hidden. Basically everyone is there to save, like.
And in that very game itself, like a couple of overs later, you have Rohit Sharma back then was a gun fielder, and he runs out Justin Kemp.
I remember
Yeah.
that.
Kemp himself was also a unit, as they'd say. And Kemp against India was also fairly successful. He has this 100 at Cape Town and all that in the backdrop of that. So that game was actually a fielding game for India as much as anything else. And it also symbolizes Dinesh Karthik as a cricketer, basically.
Scrappy.
Spectacular and garbage,
Scrappy.
both.
I think
Like he has his, like some absolute stunning moments. उसका जैसे debut में you remember his stumping to get Michael Vaughan.
yeah, I remember
Well,
that
he's
very
flying-
clearly.
Flying one-handed.
पीछे जाके
Probably the most. पीछे
जैसे
जाके
जैसे
उल्टा.
जैसे अब धोनी ने काइंड ऑफ 2-3 बार किया है. नाउ वी थिंक ऑफ इट एज धोनी, बट दिस वाज 2004 and I think कार्तिक was the, I remember that.
And that was his debut, right? So कार्तिक का career मेरे लिए ऐसे ही है. कार्तिक's career has had such spectacular moments that it somehow tends to hide the fact that he has had an overall average career in terms statistically. But then he has had contributed to test wins in England. He has a fairly decent South Africa tour in that same
Yeah.
phase. So it's a kind of a mixed career, and then it of course it ended with that. The highlight is that
Nidahasa.
Nagin dance game. But yeah, but this moment is one moment that I would have picked. Yeah.
So I'm seeing something interesting in that scorecard of that match. So as we just described,
Also, Dhoni's best T20 knock, by the way, in India colours.
in best T20 knock,
धोनी के बहुत सारे हैं भी
I would
इंटरनेशनल्स
probably
में
have to.
एक्चुअली.
Actually, international mein, I think till very late he never even had a 50
Yeah.
T20s. But that again, 50 is not a criteria for. Anyway, what I was saying was कि as we just said, Karthik took that amazing catch standing at like wideish slip gully position, but then he started keeping also in the middle. Why was it? Because I'm seeing in the scorecard like there are two stumping.
And Shastri speculates. This is a good move. Dhoni might bowl an over or two here. He's seen that the conditions are assisting seam.
And I think that was why he started. So and this also signifies
And
Dhoni.
Dhoni didn't bowl an over.
Yeah, but he did.
Yeah, he
need to, I
didn't.
guess.
Yeah.
But this signifies the kind of captain Dhoni was also. Like, so I think. So let me just take a moment to talk about these two cricketers, Karthik and Dhoni, who basically are of the same generation and had parallel careers, right? I think, if you ask me, as a keeper at least, I think Karthik could potentially like had he was जैसे कहते हैं ना like both batting.
Raw talent.
Yeah, he had more talent, but he definitely had more like teaching done to him, right? He was more taught,
Hmm.
trained.
Huh.
Whereas Dhoni is just this raw thing that just came.
Dhoni is more like a Pakistani cricketer.
Yeah.
In that sense.
Yeah. And I think the biggest difference between the kind of careers they had is because of the self belief. Dhoni somehow has this immense self belief, has always had this immense self belief, and this the kind of self belief that is very rare. You only seen Pakistani cricketers. You're right, Aditya. And I think Karthik comes from that traditional 90s, like Dravid Sachin school of cricketers of India, who
Big city cricketer.
cricketers who thought that hard work is the only thing, and keeping like keep doing hard work, and you'll eventually succeed. I think if there was no Dhoni, Karthik would have had a decent career where he would have averaged as a test batsman above 35, so like 38, 39, almost like Dhoni, with less memorable innings, but like a decent career, a much better improvement on Mongia as a keeper and as a batsman. But Dhoni has just changed the way we now look at cricket keepers in India as well. Because I know Gilchrist happened before Dhoni, but um, we like we are not one of those countries which easily like
Farooq Engineer के बाद I think it was.
For us, wicket keepers was wicket keepers
Yeah.
till very late.
even Pakistan has had fast
वैसे-
bowlers, right? Pakistan didn't ever care कि no ball कर रहा है कि क्या कर रहा है. पाकिस्तान को फास्ट चाहिए. अपन को ऐसा नहीं. अपन को ये चाहिए कि नहीं वो प्रॉपर मेंटेन कर रहा है ट्रेजेक्टरी लाइन, like we
line and length.
Exactly.
Line and length.
exactly. So Dhoni changed that, which
With keeping.
keeping.
Whereas Dhoni, the irony is that, but Dhoni with fast bowlers was absolutely the other way around. Dhoni liked fast bowlers who were more controllable in that sense. Like,
Yeah, I don't know what actually he means. He likes to control the game with spinners. Like, how do you control it with spinners, and how can't you control it with fast bowlers?
which is why it works better in subcontinent, right? Because you can control the game with spinners a lot more in Asia. That is for a separate conversation altogether. But yeah.
So, yeah, but going back to this moment to me signifies, and I know this is a cliche, but like the new ethos of the Indian team.
New India है. घर में घुस के मारा साउथ अफ्रीका को.
ये अभी ना बोलो तो बहुत अच्छा बेटर रहेगा. ठीक है.
साउथ अफ्रीका को मारा तो घर में घुस के. ये क्या है?
ठीक है चलो.
Not only did we qualify,
We stopped them from qualifying.
we also knocked South Africa out of the tournament, and all South Africa needed to reach the semis was to score 115 or something like that.
I mean, they scored 116, but yeah, they just needed like what?
They needed a 125 or something.
Yeah.
With that, I will like to move to Nishant.
New
Nishant,
India.
what is your T20 moment?
So my T20 moment is from the same World Cup. Like one match later? The semi-final basically, India versus Australia. So yeah, one match later. So the moment is Yuvraj Singh just nonchalantly flicking Brett Lee over square leg for, I don't know, like 119 meter six as far as I can remember.
Clean, मतलब.
मतलब yeah, it was like purest of the pure. मतलब वो जैसे Adelaide में धोनी ने मकाई को मारा था ना, it was मतलब that was like more brutal, like,
Violent.
an effort, but this was like, oh my god, the sound that it made. So yeah, that's what I want to talk about. So उसमें this was obviously after the England game and after the South Africa game. Or England game में, Yuvraj had 6 sixes. So he comes out to bat, and India has had a
In South Africa game, Yuvraj didn't play actually also, right?
Oh yeah. No, I mean in this match, when Yuvraj comes out, India has had a decent kind of a start. He comes at 2 down, right? So
Uttapa is, हाँ.
Uthappa is still there, but Sehwag and Gambhir are out, and India का run rate is not even 6 and over. So that's one thing. So, but for some reason, because of those 6 sixes, he has that aura. He now has that image. Ki, once he starts going, he just will explode, and he is not even off the mark. And this I'm just describing what has happened leading up to this amazing six. So it's his first or second ball. He just hooks Stuart Clark, which goes for a six over fine leg or something. And Michael Slater says, "That's it. That's one out of the way." And now he's just going to be unstoppable. And the very next ball he faces from Brett Lee, and that's not a slower ball. That's not a cutter or anything funky that Brett Lee's trying. This is 2007 Brett Lee. It's probably 140 plus delivery, and it just pings and it just flies. And that time अपना David Bumble Lloyd ने शायद I don't think he was on the commentary, or probably he was, I don't remember, but it was one of those cliches that started since then. Wallop. So yeah, and then of course once he does that, he then just, I mean, he basically makes Harsha Bhogle say, "This is Yuvraj unleashed, absolutely unleashed." During that
and and Yuvraj at his six hitting prime, na, there is something so there seems to be effortless bolna is a cliche, but I don't think Yuvraj's sixes I have seen anything cleaner than that. Even Rohit Sharma ke sixes mein, like there is this flat six that Yuvraj used to hit, right? Mid wicket ke upar se, या even covers के ऊपर से. I don't think I've
I
seen
don't,
anyone.
still think Rohit Sharma is a better six hitter, but I can totally see your point also. Like,
Yuvraj
Yuvraj gives so
against
many good
full
punches.
length. Yuvraj against like high quality, high pace and full length deliveries. मेरे लिए I think he was probably I don't know. It's
मैं ये
basically this stage of life when I
Yeah,
watched.
maybe.
मैं वो
Because Rohit Sharma is more of a back of a length, back foot में pull, front foot pull for a six and all that. But Yuvraj full length deliveries में I don't know. In my head, he seems to be a better
मैं यही
six
बोलने
hitter.
वाला
And,
था कि आई थिंक आफ्टर and it's a weird comparison maybe for Indian batsmen, but after VVS Lakshman, the next batsman who I'd love to watch in full flow was Yuvraj. Yuvraj, especially like
In fact, Yuvraj and Lakshman together would be like quite a
you
combination.
remember
left hand, right hand
Australia
combination.
में he made his first
Sydney
ODI
में.
100 in 2000.
139.
लक्ष्मण ही था दूसरे एंड में ना.
Exactly,
Yeah,
and
that's
that
right.
inning
Yeah.
I go back to all the time because it was just marvelous.
Well, I mean, ironically enough, Brett Lee was the one who actually snatched it away, snatched that match away towards the end with a six. But
बालाजी
Balaji could. No, I mean, this moment was, I still remember. So this was 2007, and we were all like, I was in with my friends in the hostel, and we were just, or वो anticipation tha, right? Because 2 matches ago, 6 sixes happened and all that. And yeah, I mean, the moment he hit so basically he moved to 12 of 2 balls or something, 12 of 3 balls, right? Pehla Clark ko mara, and then this Lee wala. And like, boys
और
hostel में, मतलब the pandemonium in boys hostel is like the default state, right?
Exactly,
और उसमें
exactly.
भी मतलब that also exploded.
Watching a game in a boys hostel is also an experience. I think sometimes I think it rivals stadium में stands में बैठ के देखने जितना.
Yeah. So
The pandemonium.
we had like 2 separate hostels the, so I mean, there were 2 separate wardens of those hostels, and they were also professors, but they were additional duties kyunki, but they were so different people. So after this match, or maybe after, it's more likely after the final, because final mein jo hua, like, I mean, that is another moment which somehow we didn't choose, but then there are so many. उसमें अगेन दैट अदर हॉस्टल, उसमें भी ऐसे खुशी के मारे लोगों ने टेबल टावल तोड़ दिया, ठीक है. एंड द सेम थिंग हैपेंड इन माय हॉस्टल आल्सो, बट द
मेरे लिए हाँ 2000 हाँ
सो
Go ahead, yeah.
हाँ सो तो मतलब सेम थिंग्स हैपेंड. हमारे हॉस्टल का वार्डन साला, ही जस्ट सेड, उसने मतलब जैसे इट वाज लाइक कि तुम वापस घर पे आ गए हो, रिमोट छुपा दिया, टीवी ऑफ करके रिमोट छुपा दिया, बोला कि what the heck? And the other professor was so cool. He was like, ये जो कुछ भी हुआ है जस्ट पैसे इकट्ठे करो एक बड़े को बुलाओ और मैं एक हफ्ते बाद आऊंगा ये बना होना चाहिए.
आई थिंक
So
हॉस्टल में
ये
क्रिकेट देखने का और हॉस्टल के लड़के, now that I'm older, I kind of like basically I remember the 2007 World Cup game against Sri Lanka, and the way we reacted after watching that game, we reacted against the hostel authorities as if they were responsible for the loss. And
I actually have fonder memories. मैंने 2011 World Cup का most of the World Cup I watched either in a hostel or a convocation hall का larger screenings में, and that ended quite well.
हाँ,
So
2011 वर्ल्ड कप तो मैंने घर में देखा था, यूएस जाने से जस्ट पहले. तो
2011 मैंने यहीं
हाँ,
देखा था. I really wished because back in मतलब university there were Sri Lankan students also, there were Pakistani students also, but Indians and Pakistanis were more in number, or at least I knew more Pakistanis than I knew Sri Lankans. So yeah, I really wish India Pakistan final वहाँ देखा होता, because the match that we saw with the Pakistani fans, it was so amazing. मतलब उसमें क्या था ना कि because you won, you didn't have to pretend to be, you know, like
यार वो
So,
उसमें मेरे लिए उल्टा भी हो जाता है. मैं I have only had 1 or 2 experiences, but I feel like quite embarrassed to celebrate in those
no,
moments.
but in that moment after, because it was such
हाँ,
a convincing win
the
towards the
kind of a
end.
game matters. Yeah.
And also they were like, we hung out, we some of us joined and we went for food after that. So मतलब it was I wish कि ऐसा experience final में होता, because that iconic six from Dhoni, unfortunately there was not a single Sri Lankan around to even talk to. So,
मोमेंट है भाई, मोमेंट है. चलो.
so Raj,
yes sir.
what
हाँ, for me, I
what is
have
your
also picked a
moment?
moment from World Cups, but a World Cup much later. This was the iconic moment of Hardik Pandya last over against Bangladesh in Bangalore, where
By the way, let's face it, T20 में one big thing that matters, international T20 में, the only thing that matters is World T20.
the only
So
thing
it's
that
okay.
matters is World T20. I don't think we even remember
Bilateral
bilateral
T20s.
T20s. Like there have been like एक like randomly बोला कि इरफान यूसुफ और इरफान वाला गेम याद है, श्रीलंका के लोगों ने अपन को
हाँ.
जितवाया था. Like this was like
Irfan or Yusuf वाला ना?
हाँ,
Hmm.
up like it was a good game,
Meaningless. हाँ.
and we like it was a turnaround, but like who gives
Yeah.
a fuck, like at like क्या फर्क पड़ता है
Yeah.
basically. Like if I were a cricket administrator for bilateral T20, I would never select a player who's above 30. It's pointless.
Exactly.
Like Kohli
It
को
should be
खेलना ही
your
नहीं
one
T20
day
में.
का testing ground.
Exactly.
हाँ.
Exactly.
It should be a training ground for one dayers, and जब World T20 आए तब जिसको खिलाना है खिलाओ.
हाँ,
Then you play the
then
best
you play
side.
your best team.
That's all.
IPL में तो खेल ही रहे हैं, right? तो
Yeah.
In fact, bilateral T20s are your international friendlies in football.
yeah.
That is exactly what they are. Yeah.
So anyway, so going back to the moment that I picked was the last ball, where Dhoni voluntarily takes off a glove even before Hardik Pandya is ready to run to bowl, and nobody really understands why. I think Manjrekar is commenting, and I think he makes a note that this has happened. But then Pandya bowls, and Dhoni comes, like basically they run. Dhoni gets the ball, he comes close to the stumps and gets the wicket. And that whole over in itself kind of tells you the kind of mental, like we often talk about Pakistan having a mental block against India when it comes to big tournaments. And I know Bangladesh, and just to stay on the point, I don't know if you guys know, and to all our listeners, Mashrafi Murtaza has been tested positive for COVID.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Anyway, so I don't think we often talk about, like, because Indian T20 is like cricket को आप जितना छोटा करते जाओगे उतना कॉम्पिटिटिव होता जाएगा क्रिकेट, which has its
Yeah.
pros or cons, right? अगर like
Hmm.
so T20 offers the biggest chance for the smaller teams to beat the bigger teams, and even then constantly I see Bangladesh getting into positions where they can beat India and then losing from there somehow. I don't know why. And so this moment was special because when I was picking moments, I was picking moments that if I had like if I was writing a story and I had picked those moments, या अगर ये moment किसी मूवी में होता तो अपन हंसते इस मोमेंट पे कि अपनी मूवी का हीरो है और सामने वाली टीम को 3 बॉल पे 2 रन चाहिए और उसने वहां से मैच जीतवा लिया.
और वो हीरो हार्दिक
वो
पांड्या
हीरो
है
हार्दिक
जो डेब्यू वर्ल्ड कप है उसका.
Exactly.
हाँ.
Like, but somehow that happened. तो yeah,
मेरे लिए वो मोमेंट वाज लाइक probably the last time I was that parochial fan while watching the game. Something about like losing to Bangladesh again in a World Cup वो हजम नहीं हो रहा था मेरे से.
अभी भी
क्योंकि 2007
मर्दानगी को हर्ट होता है क्या बांग्लादेश हारने में? क्योंकि इंडियंस को
नहीं
बहुत
नहीं
होता
ये
है.
होम वर्ल्ड कप था ना एक तो, और we would have been knocked out had we lost that game league stages में. That is something. और also again लैब में बैठ के देख रहे थे हम लोग, एंड माय लैब वाज टिपिकली लाइक दिस बंच ऑफ क्रिकेट हेटर्स होते हैं ना,
Hater.
हाँ, who just want to
तो
like
हाँ
pretend to like
हाँ
football because they
pretend
hate
to like
cricket.
football, they actually don't like football also. मतलब वो ऐसे ही बोलने के लिए, तो वैसा टाइप का सेटअप के बीच में,
हाँ.
बट पीपल वुड टर्न अप टू वॉच बिग टूर्नामेंट्स. लैब में हम लोग साथ में बैठ के देखते थे. देयर आर टू मोमेंट्स दैट आई पिक्ड व्हिच आर एक्चुअली बोथ I watched it on my desktop in the on the lab. तो आसपास इतने लोग, एंड देन देयर आर दिस पीपल हु आर नीडलिंग यू ना कॉन्स्टेंटली कि यार क्या देख रहे हो, फालतू मैच है, खत्म हो गया, एंड टाइप लाइक एट दैट पॉइंट दैट गेम टर्न्ड. एंड अगेन बांग्लादेश के साथ मैच हारना, दिस मुशफिकुर रहीम का वो प्रीमेच्योर
So
सेलिब्रेशन.
that is the thing, right? So मुझे बांग्लादेश से हारने में तब प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती है if they are not doing this, but because their players acted this way, and then you know Mushfiqur Rahim, तो I don't know, like I mean, just be fucking mature, man. After West Indies beat us, उसने वो tweet किया था, right?
वो
This
बाद
is
में इसके बाद हुआ ना सेमीफाइनल.
हाँ मतलब कि
हाँ.
this is real happiness. I mean, so इन्हीं टाइप की हरकतों की वजह से like in fact I still remember before every uh, match against Bangladesh, like there are other friends who I was talking to, and mostly like people who I talked to during the match. The general consensus is we do not want to beat them like outright, like एकदम hands down comprehensive win नहीं चाहिए इनको, because the way they behave, especially their players,
भैया के साथ
they
कैसे
should-
ऐसे behave
हाथ को आया मुंह ना लगा टाइप का होना चाहिए. So नहीं, I mean, but again, भैया वाली बात नहीं है, because that was fucking stupid what Mushfiqur was doing. I think it also comes a lot from like they also want to beat India, right? They definitely, like there is a rivalry.
This is
I think अभी
basically, I think
India-Pakistan जैसा हो गया है, so
we have spoken about this in the past. They are basically like what Indian fans were in the 90s.
exactly.
Like the level of emotion, I think it is something of that kind, because international cricket is still the only thing that Bangladesh cricket is all about, right? In India, I think post IPL, probably that has gotten diluted a little, because people have multiple teams they associate with, and वो वाला सीन है ना, तो
Yeah. No, but Dhoni, जो ये the moment that Raj is talking about. So yeah, I mean, there were like articles written about
So,
कि, you know,
this is a question
how
for
amazing,
both
like he
Do you think
Yeah.
that if, let's say, Dinesh Karthik was our keeper, or Parthiv Patel or someone else, do you think they would have done the same, or they
It's
would
hard
have
to
done
tell.
more conventional, like जो normal
See,
करते
it's
हैं?
hard to see. First of all, that was not Dhoni doing it for the first time. He had done things before, you know, where he anticipates कि अभी I might have to throw, so you know, get rid of the glove quickly. And I think he just, in very rightly, he sort of over prepared in the sense कि उसने पहले ही हटा दिया. But I guess he just assumed कि पांड्या है and he's standing back, so it won't be that fast of a delivery कि वो बिना glove के पकड़ नहीं पाएगा. And you know, so all credit to him, of course. But it's not the first time that he's done it, because I think T20 or IPL में I've been seeing this. Even Dinesh Karthik for KKR, you see, right, the moment the ball is balled and there is a bye or something, keepers now are in the habit of
But in this
but I think match awareness,
this moment
I
he
would
had
say
taken
that
off,
I think this is Dhoni's strength.
taken
हाँ,
off.
वो तो है. I mean, I would say probability of Dhoni doing it was the largest. I won't say कि
Largest.
किसी ने किया
But-
होता या नहीं किया होता, but yeah.
Also the fact that even at that stage of his career, I think his batting was almost done by then, right?
हाँ,
So
2016 तो definitely.
keeping and match awareness was his strength at that point.
So I I
Even in
this
that match itself, he didn't really sparkle with, like वो कुछ ऐसे 12 बॉल पे 10 रन टाइप का नॉट आउट बनाया था धोनी ने उस मैच में.
और वो मोमेंट जब कल्मिनेट तो उसके साथ हुआ, बट बांग्लादेश एट सेवरल पॉइंट्स इन द ट्रंचेस absolutely had no business losing it because they needed what 6 and over से थोड़ा ज्यादा at that point. There is
हाँ, yeah,
मशरफे मुर्तजा आके मतलब ही 2 6 मारता है and then again the run rate is in control. Then Shakib is like scoring at 6.5 7 runs an over से ऊपर ही and then he throws it away.
even
It was all about it was a tale of like one side
महमूदुल्लाह
losing
भी तो
its
ना,
head.
yeah exactly, wanting hero बनना था basically.
And on the other side exact opposite of that.
Yeah.
That is all that game was about.
Yeah.
Which is rare in India's case, especially these days. Like India holding its nerve in a big game is something which you. Is there any other game that you remember us having done that? I don't think so.
See, when defending it's different because Nidahasa में किया था उसने, but again that was just two people doing it.
नहीं, निराशा में भी तो उल्टा था ना. We were chasing, right? Yeah.
हाँ, we were chasing, so it's basically
हाँ.
two people holding their heads, but on field में थोड़ा you need to coordinate and all those things. So
Coordinate, yeah.
While defending, I don't remember a lot of occasions like that.
So moving on, Nishant, your
Yeah.
ODI moment.
Okay, so the ODI moment that I want to talk about is just to give a backdrop. I am purely choosing this for people who say कि कोई भी क्रिकेट खेल सकता है, कुछ फिटनेस की जरूरत नहीं होती है and all those things. So the moment I'm talking about is from the 2007 World Cup, where Dwayne Leverock, whose full name is amazing actually, I just Wikipedia'd him and his full name is Russell Dwayne Mark Leverock from Bermuda. He basically takes one of the most stunning catches you will ever see in slips to dismiss Robin Uthappa. So what happened is that
2007 में वर्ल्ड कप हुआ था.
हाँ, so just for few moments, वो याद है ना, ऑफिस में Dwight shun and unshun करता है, so I'm unshunning the 2007 World Cup for the moment. So yeah, so there's this guy, bowler का नाम था Malarkey Jones. Can you imagine?
Bunch of Malarkey.
Hashtag Joe Biden.
हाँ.
So Malarkey Jones, he was very young back then, and even ये अपना Dwayne Johnson बोल रहा हूँ मैं उसको, Dwayne Leverock जो है, he is 71 born, so he was 36 years old, so it's fine. But anyway, so if you have seen Dwayne Leverock,
पुलिस वाला था वो.
हाँ, I mean उसमें actually I'm looking at the Cricinfo headline, not headline, the commentary of that moment right now, and it's basically Malarkey Jones bowling to Robin Uthappa. Uthappa edges it, and then Leverock dives to his right and then takes a stunning catch, and then both the bowler and Leverock, like Jones and Leverock, run in separate directions, and they're like, that's such a huge moment for Bermuda. So the one thing which I like about this moment is that, so the commentators on, or at least what I remember, when I was watching, there was Lakshman Shivaramakrishnan, but luckily we also had David Lloyd. So I would really want to thank LS here.
Wonderful catch.
Yeah,
Marvelous catch.
Yeah, exactly. But to his credit, he actually says edge and magnificently taken, and then he stops, and then Bumble takes over. And oh my god, like you should definitely check this video out again. Bumble is like, he's describing what's happening. So he first says, brilliant catch, and look where he's gone. He's all over the place, and then people are there, and then so at one point, all the Bermuda players are over Malarkey Jones, and so Malarkey Jones is basically down in that pile, and
That's a stunning catch.
yeah. So thanks for the audio, and then he's saying, Bumble says, don't let Leverock on the top of that pile, please. and then like there is the wicketkeeper who's rushing towards Leverock, and he tries to lift him. What are you trying to do, son? You can't lift him like that. So yeah, it's just you have to check that video out. It's a good 3 minute video. Jones actually starts crying after celebrating. um, and Leverock is just all over. Like he ran like, I don't know, mo- a mile for that celebration. But what a moment, because to see someone like that pull off something like that, I don't think you can see it in any other sport.
As I was telling you guys, this World Cup I saw or watched in my hostel, right? So the only thing that I remember is the fat shaming jokes that were happening all around me.
Which still happens with Rakim Conwar
इन
now.
Yeah.
आज क्रिक इन्फो ने एक आर्टिकल लिखा रकीम कॉर्नवॉल का, उसमें उन्होंने स्लिम चांस यूज किया हेडलाइन में. आई डोंट नो, मे बी आई एम सीइंग टू मच, बट दे हैव. Aditya, any memories from this moment?
That moment is so. What makes that moment so big is because of Bermuda, right? Like what it means for a cricketer from Bermuda to get a wicket like that. Even just the smaller moment within the game, what that could mean for a team like Bermuda, is what that signifies for me. And sadly, World Cups are now 10-team events, and you wouldn't get to see anything like this anymore.
So that YouTube video that you just played, was it the 3 minute 19 second one? जो सबसे लंबा है?
Yes.
उसके नीचे comments देखना. The first comment is from a profile called Dwayne Leverock is a god, and the comment is great catch by me.
So this is what World Cups are supposed to mean, right? Not the fact that Bermuda ने India को हराया है नहीं. That doesn't matter, because when a smaller team does it, Trinidad and Tobago football World Cup में they played a bunch of 0-0 draws. Yeah, New Zealand actually, not Trinidad and Tobago. Trinidad and Tobago
Played a draw with USA that top
played a draw with
USA
USA
from qualifying for the last World Cup.
qualifying for the last World Cup.
Yeah.
And in the World Cup itself, New Zealand, if you remember, like bunch of amateurs in the football World Cup played a couple of 0-0 draws, nothing exceptional. But the fact that they were in that World Cup,
Yeah.
it's not about them beating somebody else. वो अर्जेंटीना को हराया तब जाके कोई बड़ा न्यूज़ बनेगा, ऐसा नहीं होता यार.
Yeah.
These are the moments that these sides are supposed to be in the tournament for. Something which neither the BCCI nor the ICC would ever get, sadly.
ICC would get, but BCCI would not let
I
them
think
have
that
it.
is the thing. Ultimately, it's about this.
Yeah.
So moving on, Aditya. On that somber note, your moment.
Oh, so my moment is again. So this one is for the game. Like cricket is a real winner moment. This one, in the end, in this. So this is from the 2015 semi-final, New Zealand versus South Africa, Auckland. And what is it about Auckland and these sort of games? We would never know. Like 2092 semi-final, Auckland, close one. This very World Cup, you had Australia versus New Zealand in the first league stage, which was also a close one, and then you
What
had
a
this,
match that was! Yeah.
and then you had this. What a semi-final, man! Like first, this is one time I think South Africa did not choke, and this was serious bad luck, because when the match gets truncated at the point at which this is like peak AB, right? Like this is the phase where he's scoring 40 ball hundreds and stuff like that. So the game gets truncated at the point when South Africa is absolutely, like, I think looking at 350 at that point, 350 to 400 even, if this guy is on song, and De Villiers that day was batting well. So the game gets truncated. Still, New Zealand has a lot to chase, and then McCallum ka inning hota hai, and then you go towards the final stages, and then again I come back to my lab and the idea that cricket ka World Cup kya hi hai, boring World Cup and all that. This game suddenly, like, I think it shatters all myths, right? So you have a semi-final. This tournament has been very sleepy till then. Like बहुत अच्छा matches नहीं हुआ था, except for the minnows. You didn't have a lot of good games. Towards the end, you have an entire lab, and this is New Zealand versus South Africa. This is not even India playing in this game, and everyone has picked sides now. Like genuinely picked sides and rooting for them. And I am rooting for South Africa. 99 हुआ है, बहुत कुछ बाकी है.
But I am rooting for any one of them actually. So this game was very.
No,
I'm rooting for
This
whoever
game, I
goes
think-
beats, like.
ऑस्ट्रेलिया इन द एंड वैसा. बट मेरा फील ये था कि आई थिंक आई वाज स्विचिंग साइड्स. at every point so that the game towards the end becomes close. That is, but when it actually reached the
Wait,
final,
so that like it all depended on your support, हाँ? कि
हाँ
थोड़ी देर इसको कर लेता हूँ, थोड़ी देर इसको कर
नहीं
लेता हूँ,
नहीं वैसा नहीं, मुझे ये था कि एनी से अगर एक और विकेट गिर जाए और मैच जल्दी वन साइड हो जाएगा तो मुझे वो नहीं चाहिए.
ओके, हाँ.
तो वैसा आई वाज जस्ट सपोर्टिंग ऑन दैट बेसिस एंड टुवर्ड्स द एंड आई डिडंट नो हु टू सपोर्ट, बट उसी टाइम में समझ में आ जाता है ना हु आर यू रूटिंग फॉर. तो आई हैड दिस सॉफ्ट कॉर्नर्स फॉर साउथ अफ्रीका थैंक्स टू 99 because having watched that heartbreak, I thought like this game, first of all, I think the Duckworth Lewis was harsh on them. The game
It's always stupid. It's always
had it been a 50-over game, because Duckworth Lewis cannot account for crazy AB, right?
exactly.
So Duckworth Lewis cannot account for statistical aberrations, basically.
Yeah, and
of that
also,
kind.
see, I think it does use some data, but it doesn't use the way. So, when the game gets shortened, AB is already what, like 60 or 65 or 40 balls or something.
It doesn't account for that sort of context.
Exactly.
That is what it doesn't have, a crazy AB or a crazy Yuvraj mode that you can flip on. Player specific nahi hai na. So I thought like it was a little harsh on them in any case. So towards the end I was supporting them, and when this there is this Daniel Vettori edging things for 4, and there is a Nurdle for 4 at that point. I got quite irritated by that. Ek to mere liye Steyn, I am a huge Steyn fan at that point. And the idea of Steyn getting hit for a 6, and it felt like hoga nahi aisa. Yeah, but when that moment happens, and then this Grant Elliott of all people,
born in South Africa.
Again, if you had to write a script, both in the 2019 and the 2019 final and this 2015 World Cup semi-final, this would make for like good movie scripts, right? Like a player born in New Zealand beating New Zealand, and a player born in South Africa ending that game in that fashion. And Grant Elliott of all people, man. Grant Elliott, विजय शेखावत का साइड किक का रोल भी नहीं मिलेगा उसको बॉलीवुड में.
He was like, do you guys remember Gavin Larson?
He was very much in the Mohammad Kaif mode, अगर इंडिया में अगर देखा जाए तो. In that Kaif तो बड़ा स्टार था, but फिर भी
Gavin Larson नंबर 11 पे भी बैट किया, पता है?
I know. I'm not saying skill wise comparative, but like उसी लेवल पे ही वो जाना जाता if he wouldn't have done this.
And this David versus Goliath वाला वो वाला सीन भी था. एक तो Grant Elliott batting and the crowd in New Zealand, man. So I love the fact when cricket is played in England or New Zealand, where it is not a primary sport, and when a spectacle like that happens and the game gets elevated that day, and it's a showcase, man. I wouldn't like the same Grant Elliott 6 had it happened in Wankhede and the crowd gone mad. I would probably not have rated it at that level. समझ रहे हो what it means for that tournament and that nation in which it is being played. I think that is what elevates it, and that for a day everybody was talking about it, and you remember that final image of like Elliott and Dale Steyn,
Elliott,
Dale Steyn almost about to cry, and Albie and AB de Villiers are just like they have broken down already, and I think that is almost 99 level for me.
Yeah.
In terms of heartbreak.
And that.
In fact, I didn't feel as bad when India lost to Australia, because that game was a no contest eventually. So.
Yeah, I mean, no comparison at all.
And for a couple of days, I think that felt like a global event ka semi-final, like global sporting event ka semi-final.
New Zealand
the way
had
it ends,
won that World Cup, this would have like ये पूरे मूवी जैसा स्टोरी होता बेसिकली, पता है?
मार्टिन क्रो का एक तो वो बैकड्रॉप था कि मार्टिन क्रो के लिए वर्ल्ड कप जीतना है, उनका वो एक
and the home sort of World Cup,
और वो ऑकलैंड का क्राउड, एंड ऑकलैंड इज ईडन पार्क इज दैट सॉर्ट ऑफ अ स्टेडियम, राइट? इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक अ soccer stadium equivalent in that sense, because it's a rugby ground. You might have stadium like say Eden, right? Eden is also like intimidating and stuff, but Eden बहुत बड़ा ground है in terms of spread. This is more intimate, and the stands are much taller, and it feels like, मतलब वो atmospherics of it also adds to it, basically.
So
I think I've described the stadium and the atmosphere more than
the moment.
moment itself. But I think that stands out for me because of all of that, not just that six.
Yeah, it depends, right? Matlab, what happened after that, who was commentating, it really matters a lot.
Also, उसमें भी ये था क्या, मतलब Ian Smith था, if I'm not wrong, calling it.
Was
Very,
okay.
very likely.
So I remember abhi World Cup 2019 World Cup final, that Ian Smith moment with Stokes and Kapil. Just before that, or was it just after that, there was this England New Zealand series जिसमें फिर से एक tie हुआ था.
हाँ, अश्विन
So वो
जडेजा.
दोनों तो definitely, yeah, no, not Ashwin Jadeja, like England New Zealand का ही tie
Oh,
हुआ
England.
था just after,
Sorry.
yeah. So I clearly
हाँ,
remember उन दोनों में तो definitely Ian Smith था. But this one, was it Ian Smith? Probably. I mean, the match was happening in New Zealand for the World Cup, so he should have been on the commentary team. So, but I don't
With
remember. Yeah.
that, let us move
What's
to the one. Oh,
your?
मेरा ही है. Okay. So I have gone more conventional. I have picked a moment which I think in our living memory, especially when we were much more partisan than we are now.
Star Sports का सूर्यवंशम.
You can say that.
Yeah.
And basically, this moment has again a cliche that it changed the cricket dynamics relationship between India and Pakistan. One was Javed
Well, it
Mihrdad
is
last ball.
cliched, but our Pakistani listeners and friends have also
Agreed to
kind
that.
of agreed to that. So, yeah.
So the moment that I'm talking about is the 2003 World Cup League game between India and Pakistan in Centurion, where India is chasing a stiff total, and Shoaib Akhtar, in his prime, comes to bowls it short of length, outside the off stump, and Sachin is his first trigger movement is a slight move toward the back foot, and then he cuts it to 6, and I think it's Ravi Shastri who's there like Forrest Gump for every fucking cricket for India.
Cut away for six.
सब कुछ के लिए he's there.
आज हम लोगों ने जितना भी इंडियन मोमेंट बोला है सब में शास्त्री था शायद.
Yeah.
I think मेरा टेस्ट मोमेंट में शास्त्री नहीं है. I don't know तुम.
मेरा भी टेस्ट मोमेंट में नहीं है. शास्त्री टेस्ट मोमेंट्स में उतना नहीं आता है.
I think मेरे में भी like it was LS in the ODI moment, but युवराज moment में तो
Because टेस्ट में क्या है ना, मोमेंट्स ऐसा प्लान होके नहीं आता है ना, मतलब यू डोंट नो, मतलब फेजेस यू कैन नॉट प्रेडिक्ट कि हाई प्रोबेबिलिटी है वैसा. वनडे में यू कैन से ना कि अर्ली ओवर्स में ज्यादा इवेंटफुल होगा. शास्त्री मांग के लिखता होगा ऐसा. Go ahead.
So
Raj, yeah.
there is like I will open the floor very soon, but basically this moment, like before this, we are all tensed because Pakistan has batted well. I mean, in general, like that's a score that they 274, right?
That is 320 of
Yeah,
today.
exactly. And
273, yeah.
273, yeah. 274 is what we need to chase, and I mean, it's very like possible that Pakistan, like 2 wickets here, and Pakistan could run away with the game. And but then the way Sachin and Sehwag come, Waqar Younis is not in his prime, definitely. So like Shoaib Akhtar is kind of the one that they are relying on, and
160 plus.
even Akram is not. Yeah.
even Akram is not, but
But Akram is Akram यार, मतलब Akram ने
Pace is
फिर
pace,
तभी
yeah.
भी pace is
Basis,
pace.
basis.
so, and then this moment basically kind of makes you feel that I don't know, in hindsight at least it makes you feel that India was always going to win this game, but in the end the game was India just won it without like even having like a serious challenge from Pakistan, like at any given moment.
But actual में वैसा नहीं था ना, मतलब when we were 4 down, I think तब भी मुझे तो डर लगा था.
हाँ, but players को नहीं लगा.
100
There
रन
were
और चाहिए.
two
हाँ.
quick wickets actually. So and then, but Kaif played a very underrated innings.
नहीं, वो point पे भी नहीं. I think when Kaif and Sachin were going on fine, I think that was okay. But when Sachin got out, we needed another 100 odd to win.
Actually, after Dravid and Yuvraj, there was who, like Dinesh Mohia होगा, and then the bowler.
हाँ,
So
because feel वो था ना कि पाकिस्तान है, मतलब लास्ट का 5 विकेट 25 रन में गिर जाएगा. हाँ,
Mercurial Pakistan.
तो लेट्स गो टू
बट ये मोमेंट
ये मोमेंट
हाँ.
तो ये हमारा मोमेंट है, और Let's start with you guys. Where were you? How did you guys watch it, and how do you guys remember it?
मेरा नेक्स्ट डे बोर्ड एग्जाम था,
Same.
फर्स्ट बोर्ड
I think
एग्जाम
we've
ऑफ
talked
क्लास
about.
10.
I think we've
हाँ,
talked about it. Yeah.
mine was the English exam the next day, and English exam के लिए ज़्यादा पढ़ना नहीं पड़ता था, and there was शिवरात्रि or
Yeah,
something.
it was Shivratri,
तो
और मैंने उपवास रखा था.
हाँ.
Not because it was Shivratri,
Oh.
but because it was India Pakistan also.
India Pakistan, and the first big game in that World Cup after we lost to Australia. We had won against England actually.
But उस वक्त England
we had already
didn't matter. I mean, it was a great game for India, but we kind of knew that we will probably beat
But
England.
we qualified. Thanks to England, we had already qualified for the Super Sixes. But फिर भी hype, इस game का hype ना मुझे 2 महीने से याद था. There were these calendars being sold, and बहुत time से पाकिस्तान के साथ खेले भी नहीं थे. So that was this hype, and I was at home only. So next day के लिए first innings का some chunk of the first innings I probably might have missed, but apart from that, 10th standard board exams, the only game I had the permission to watch during that board exam. In between, I had missed a lot of other games. मतलब चोरी छुपे देखा था, but ठीक से नहीं देखा था. ये गेम पूरा देखा था ऐसे बैठ के.
Okay.
एंड मेरे लिए इस मोमेंट के पहले भी देयर इज अनदर लाइक क्रिकेटिंग मोमेंट के हिसाब से, मतलब प्योर स्ट्रोक प्ले के हिसाब से, दैट सचिन बैकफुट पंच अगेंस्ट वसीम इन द फर्स्ट ओवर.
Yeah.
That is perfection. मतलब we often compare Lara versus Sachin. I think something, this innings was very Lara-esque, if I may put it that way.
हाँ, थोड़ा
Everything
more
about
aggressive than, yeah.
flair के हिसाब से. Yeah.
So for me again same, मतलब board exam था. For me, I'm 100% I'm sure social studies का paper था, and I had gone to my cousin's place. पास में ही रहते थे, and innings break में मैं वहाँ चला गया, and I just said कि okay, थोड़ा सा देख के फिर वापस आके I will study. And me and my cousin, so they were like, I mean, जो बड़े वाले भैया थे, he was already inside watching, and my cousin who's my age, we were just hanging out outside veranda maybe, must have been doing some bugger. And we actually missed the shot that you're talking about, the Sachin off drive off the back foot. We missed that, but then पूरे घर से पूरे मोहल्ले से शोर होने लग गया, and then we rushed in, and when we rushed in, we saw कि शोएब अख्तर का over start हो गया, and then we saw that 6. It was, by the way, that was the only, no, the Sehwag also hit a 6, but
Sehwag against Waqar.
Waqar, but they were the only 2 6s in that match.
It's almost like very poetic, right? Waqar is this, Shoaib is almost like a Waqar clone, and Sehwag was like a Sachin clone at that point.
I was
And
watching the highlight recently,
and the sixes were also very identical.
very identical. So ये I don't remember. एक तो ना मैं random कुछ भी देखने लगता हूँ, so I don't. But there's this Sachin Sehwag partnership in some match, and Robin Jackman is commentating, who's basically saying there's sometimes it's very hard to tell these guys apart.
This is Bloemfontein, probably. Sehwag's
No,
debut.
it was an ODI. This was an ODI that I was watching,
okay.
and so Sachin flicks one for 4, and then in the very next over, Sehwag flicks one for 4, and the commentator is like, sometimes it's very hard to tell these guys apart.
Start of their careers, even their gears were very similar.
It's
Like
The-
bad.
in fact, during the time like South Africa tour 2001, Sehwag basically, actually, if you, I don't know if you guys felt this, Shiv Sundar Das भी काफी सचिन जैसा feel होता था एक time पे.
हाँ.
Yeah, with
Also
the pads
because of
and all,
his stature.
and height, weight, and yeah, similar.
वही he means the same.
Yeah.
But शिव सुंदर दास वो ऊंचाइयां नहीं मिली क्योंकि वो ऊंचा नहीं था शायद.
But Sachin versus also because it was against Shoaib, right? In that tournament there was this recurring trend. उसके पहले Caddick के साथ भी हुआ था. In the
Caddick वाला भी
previous
was
game,
quite
that
quite a
that
moment.
was something also. Because Caddick ने इसके पहले कुछ बोल बच्चन किया था उस गेम के पहले. Like I'll target his wicket, ऐसे कुछ बोल के कुछ किया था. ओलंगा वाला सीन किया था उसने. तो उसके साथ भी 6 हुआ, and then it happened with Shoaib also. So मतलब सचिन ने वो वर्ल्ड कप में, मतलब that was something, man. To watch Sachin bat in that World Cup, I've never seen him bat that way again.
With that, we will move to the next moment.
टेस्ट मैच,
टेस्ट मैचेस
असली क्रिकेट.
असली क्रिकेट.
देखें जी. क्रिकेट क्या है जी? वो तो एंटरटेनमेंट है. जो देखेगा फैन वही क्रिकेट बनेगा ना. बट लेट्स टेक जस्ट ब्रीफ मोमेंट एंड गेट बैक टुगेदर. मेरे को चार्जर लाना अपना लैपटॉप के लिए.
ओके.
तो 1 मिनट के लिए सेगमेंट ब्रेक ले ले आदित्य. This is the end of the podcast, and if you felt that the podcast ended a bit too abruptly, it might be because we plan to release a next part of this episode at some point in the future. But thanks and goodbye for now.